for children. I don't even feel bad about it. Conscience, what should I do?
You should make a crappy cartoon brimming with PNGs and bad writing.
No. I shouldn't do that. That's bad.
I mean, yeah, but it'll give us publicity big.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it
Anime.
with this. And this. Oh, and we can't forget about this. Mmm, good soup. I'm really nervous. I mean, I like you a lot. Oh, me. Oh, that was right. Bet you didn't know I was a musical genius. Watch how good I am. Wow, I'm so good. Ma'am or sir, do I have the products for you today? It's this! Look how amazing it is! It can do anything! It'll make you happy! And then look, it can also do this! I can get like 100 of these!
Seriously? Ugh.